Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. January is not only National Soup Month, but it's also National Oatmeal Month. And I am a big fan of oatmeal. If y'all follow me for a while, y'all know I have a few oatmeal recipes here on my channel. And I'll post a link to my oatmeal playlist down below in the description box. And today I'm going to share with y'all another great oatmeal recipe, and it's one of my favorites, blueberries and cream oatmeal. My friends, it is so simple and easy to make, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's gonna love and enjoy this. It is full of blueberry flavor, and it is perfect on a cold winter day. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, potato and shrimp soup. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your pot, your blueberries, and your oatmeal sugar, because we're about to cook some blueberries and cream oatmeal magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is prep our blueberries. Over here in my saucepan, I have my fire over medium-high heat. We're going to add in a half a tablespoon of unsalted butter, and we're going to let it melt. And as soon as it melts, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the butter has melted. Now we're going to add in 1.5 cups of frozen blueberries, or you can use fresh blueberries. And into our blueberries, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of packed light brown sugar and our spices. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon each of ground nutmeg and ground ginger, and a pinch of table salt. Give it a stir until it's well combined. It will create a glaze. So now we're going to let the blueberries cook until they soften, about 3 minutes. Alright, my friends, the blueberries is nice and soft. See? That looks great. And it smells amazing. Nothing like the smell of blueberries. So now we're going to add in 1.5 cups of water and 1/2 cup of sweet milk, which is Southern talk for whole milk. Going to cut the fire up to high, and all we do is bring it to a boil. Alright, my friends, the liquid has came to a boil, so now we're going to add in 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oatmeal. Stir that in. So now we're going to cut the fire down to simmer, and we're going to let it cook for 4 minutes. And make sure you stir it occasionally, and I'll bring you back. My friends, I smell oatmeal. Oh, it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. Nothing like the smell of oatmeal cooking. And don't worry if the oatmeal is purple. That's just from the blueberries. It's all good. Last but not least, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Of course, this is blueberries and cream oatmeal. And stir that in until it's well incorporated. I forgot to mention, I turned off my fire when I added in the heavy whipping cream. So that's it, my friends. Our oatmeal is ready to serve. So I'm about to pour it into my bowl, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I've got my bowl right here, and there's a couple of more things we got to add to it. Some blueberries and a sprig of fresh mint. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Blueberries and cream oatmeal. Don't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at those blueberries. Please have a bite. The blueberries are juicy and the oatmeal is smooth and creamy. Very comforting. This blueberries and cream oatmeal is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Blueberries and cream oatmeal-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more sudden magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay warm.